Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook udon noodles in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, search for a place with fire and a stove, like this one right here. Go near it, and then press F to interact. So here are all the items you can cook here. Here's search for udon noodles, which is over here. Click on it. The ingredients you need to cook this are 3 flour, and then 1 seagrass, and 1 fish. If you have these ingredients, click on this cook button on the bottom right side of your screen, like so, and then click on cook manually, and the item will be added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!